we present to you, my dear brothers and sisters, the certificate of appreciation to our Honorable Leopoldo and Bataoil, the Municipal Mayor of Lingayen Pangasinan, for his valuable time, dedicated efforts, and unyielding support in participating in our celebration of the 32nd National Family Week with the theme, Pamilyang Tumutugon sa Pagbabago ng Panahon, Family Responding to the Changing Times, given on this 28th day of September 2024 at the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, Lingayen State, Pangasinan, Lingayen Pangasinan. Signed, Jeanette V. Sison, Communications Coordinating Council Director, and President Miller Uni and Antonio, State President.
Exchange gift tayo. Thank you very much for your kindness. I accept those gifts that come from your heart. And in return, I also have this little gift that comes from my heart to help in whatever way possible. Excuse na ako ha. Tatakbo na ako dun sa bigasis.
Ay, picture ko na, picture.